Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat 2-minute requests. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat 2-minute requests, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to WeChat and we click here. If you will find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause your errors. And after that you can go to your Play Store, you will search about WeChat. If you will find uninstall, you can click on it to uninstall your app and you can install your application again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.